Hi, I'm Olivier from Elite Home Cook, and today we're going to cook a perfect poached egg. I'm a professional chef in France and in UK as well, and I decided to do this channel to show you it's not difficult to cook. Because most people have no confidence, say, oh, that is look like very confusing, very complicated, but in reality it's not. So follow us in our journey how to learn how to cook like a professionals without worries. Stay at the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to present these eggs in the restaurant way. So first, to cook a perfect poached egg, you need egg, some kind of container. Very important, white vinegar. You can do this red as well, but your egg is going to be a little bit red. And a skimming spoon. A pan with water inside. So the water needs to be boil, but not a big bubble. Just a very small bubble. So first, when your water is boiled, you're going to take your white vinegar and you're going to put roughly like that. In cooking, don't need to measure everything. In patisserie, yes, but in cooking, it's fine. So you wait a little bit for the bubble coming back, and you take your eggs, put in your container, always try to tidy up your work surface. It's not good when everything is starting to be messy everywhere. Always tidy up. So the technique is to put your eggs inside this boiling water, and you need to spin the water a little bit, just like that. A little bit more. Voila, and put gentler and carry on to spin it. And basically, it's finished. You just need to wait 3 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video there and see you in 3 minutes time. 3 minutes later, the egg is finally cooked. And you have your poached egg. So try to remove most as you can water. You can even use kitchen towel. Be careful, it's hot. And this is your poached egg. So now I'm going to show you how to present that on the bangles like a restaurant style. To make your poached egg like a restaurant style, what we're going to have? We're going to have a little bit of persil from our balcony, some little bit of paprika, and some little bit of pepper. First, put the persil together. Keep your finger inside, then chop like this. Your finger will be protected and your parsley will be finely chopped and thin. You can also chop the other way. So we just toss a piece of bagel. We put the poached egg on top. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt because it's better in my opinion. Not too much. A little bit of pepper for the taste as well. Like that. And for the decorations, so I use smoked paprika. Like that, no more. And always, French recipe has persils. So you have a plate with look restaurant style. When your plate look like this, with pepper, paprika, parsley and sauté to taste, then you can do this to make it look nice. Just do an incision on the egg like this and you will see the egg run in a perfectly cooked restaurant way. You just learned your first recipe, perfectly cooked poached egg. So if you want to follow us in our journey how to learn how to cook like a restaurant and be more confident in your cooking. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell and push the thumbs. So, any comment, any questions, leave below and I'm going to reply to you. If you have any idea, if you are struggling for any kind of recipe, leave below and I'm going to do a video for you to explain to you how to do it. Thank you. Bye.